guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be all about this lovely beautiful glitter eyeliner, and it's gonna be a purple glitter eyeliner. So if you all want to see how I get this lovely fairy like glitter eyeliner look, then please keep watching and let's get into it. Okay, so for primer, I've already moisturized my face and I'm going to use the Wow moisturizer as the primer itself. So I've already done that step. So let's go into color correcting. So for color correcting, I'm using the LA Pro Concealer Color Corrector in the shade Orange. I'm gonna blend that with a damp beauty blender. Now moving on to foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Sun Beige. Okay, now that we've got a nice full coverage foundation on, I'm going to go in with some concealer. For concealer, I'm going to use the LA Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. Blending the concealer in with a beauty blender. Now that our concealer is nicely placed down, I'm going to go in with some highlighting concealer. For highlighting concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Honey. Blending that too with the damp beauty blender. Now that I've got my highlighting concealer placed down, I'm going to use a darker shade of concealer and just contour my face. Blending the contour with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm going to set my face with some translucent setting powder. Alright, for the brows, I'm just using the L'Oreal Brow Pomade in the shade Brunette. Okay, now that our brows are done, let's go set our contour. Now that our contour is done, let's get into the eyes. Okay, so now for the eyes, first I'm going to set my eyelids with some translucent setting powder. Okay, for eyeshadow, now I'm going to take this purple shimmer shade. As you can see, it's a lavenderish purple shimmer shade. And I'm going to take it on this small, small pencil brush, and I'm going to wing it out. Okay, so now that I've got the shimmer eyeliner down, I'm gonna add some glitter onto it. Taking a little bit of glitter glue on this tiny brush, and I'm just gonna place it on the eyeliner that I've just created with shimmer. Now for the glitter, I'm going to go into this lovely lavenderish shade and just stamp it on my shimmer eyeliner. Now that the glitter is nicely placed down, let's go in with some eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'm going in with the Inglot Gel Eyeliner. So with this eyeliner, I'm not going to line my eyes in particular. Basically, I'm just going to line the outer wing so that, you know, the glitter liner has more support. Now that the liner is done, let's go into the lashes. For lashes, I'm going to curl my eyelashes first. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara on them. Now time for some false eyelashes. Okay, now that the lashes are nice and placed, let's tightline the eyes. I'm going to use this kajal from K Beauty. It's in the shade Spade. Okay, now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the same mascara and just lightly coat my lower lashes. Now to highlight the inner corners, I'm going to go in with this lovely lavender shade highlighting, you know, shimmer color. So I'm going to go in with that and gently place that on my inner corners. Okay, now that I'm done with this eye, let's get on with this eye and I'll be right back. Okay, now that both the eyes are done, let's go into some highlighter. For highlighter, I'm going to use first a champagne shade and then, you know, go over it with some purple so that, you know, it gives a more champagne-y purple sort of a glow. Okay, I'm taking this brick highlighter and I'm just gonna highlight my face. You know, place it on top of my cheekbones, under the arch of my brow, cupid's bow, on the tip of my nose, and on the bridge. Now going in with this lavender highlighter shade and I'm just going to place it on top of the champagne shade. Okay, so now that we're done with the highlighter, let's go into the lips. Just gonna line my lips with the pinkish purple lip liner. Now I'm just going to go in with some purple lipstick. Alright, so this pretty much is it. I added a little bit of dark brown on the outer corners of my lips to give it more dimension. But yeah, this is how the eyes turned out. Okay, so now let me just set my hair and I'll be right back. Hey guys, and this is the final look. As you can see, this look was very effortless, very pretty. People who love purple will love this look. So if you like this video and you'll want to see more tutorials, please like and subscribe and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye!